This is my baby girl. Some of you guys remember her when she was just a baby. She's modeling now. So if y'all looked up what the video was, it's Snoop Dogg's video, Life of the Party. You gotta pause. You gotta push pause. You see her big old head up in there. And she was in what's that boy name? Ray J. She was in Ray J video, Get 'em Girl. So if you go to YouTube and you Get 'em Girl, you look for the bitch in the little red shirt. That's my baby. She on the pole like this, doing a little dance there. Somebody, Aja, do you like your daughter doing videos? She not one of the booty girls. She ain't got all that. But I said, look, she paying her own bills. She ain't calling me to pay nothing for her ass. So I don't mind her doing what she need to do. And I'm like, come on now, her daddy's a drag king. What the fuck can I say? Give it up for my baby girl, Summer. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come up here with your daddy for a minute. Mama, come here, baby. Get your ass. Come here, boo. She hated when I be embarrassing my baby, but I'm so proud of her. And I'm telling you, babies, I love her, and she's always supportive. But you know, her mama's lesbian and her daddy's gay, but hey, we did good. You know?